Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a reoccurring event come up in your Canvas calendar, in your courses calendar. And the reason you would want to use this is, let's say you have a Microsoft Teams meeting every Tuesday for Read Aloud, or you have a Microsoft Teams meeting every Wednesday for second grade art. Whatever you're trying to do, you can do it by days, you can do it by weeks, you can do it by month. So I'm going to show you what I set up, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So I set up a reoccurring event for Fridays from 9 to 9:30, and I have it labeled as second grade PE. So if you look, I set it for the 9 weeks. You can set it for however many weeks, however many days, whatever you want to do. So it's there for 9 weeks. And when you click on any of these and you click join Microsoft Teams meeting, because that's what's in the details, it'll take you to that meeting. And the reason it actually has like a 1, 2, 3, 4 beside of it is because that's the number of meetings. So this is the first meeting, this is the second meeting, third meeting, and so on. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to say the first meeting is going to be on Wednesday, August 5th. So I'm going to click the date of my calendar. First things first, though, make sure you're on whatever class you want to put it on. Make sure that's what's highlighted, because that's where it's going to go. So I'm going to do it in the sandbox just because I'm practicing and playing around with it. I'm going to go to August 5th, and I'm going to click the event. Make sure you're on event up here, and then click more options. And then you're going to title it. So let's just say first grade PE. And then you can put stuff here if you want to. I'm just going to leave it blank for now. You're going to put the time. So let's say first grade PE on this day is from 9 to, I'm just making up things right now, 9 to 9:30. I just put location is Microsoft Teams, and then this is the key. You're gonna click duplicate. So you're gonna duplicate it, and this will tell you how often you want to duplicate it. Do you want to duplicate it every day, every week, or every month? And so I did a Wednesday, so I want to do it every weekly Wednesday. And then you're gonna put how many additional occurrences. I'm gonna put 9 for the first 9 weeks. And then if you click this count button, this is what adds the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 at the end of it. So you might not want this if you have to do something every single day, but I would want this as a teacher who sees certain classes only once a week. I want that on there to know who was at which meeting. So, and then you just click create event, and it says event saved successfully, and now it's going to take you back to your calendar. And there we go. Now it's on my calendar, and I click it, and oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to actually make the teams. So let's go to more options. Let's go back and let's add in the Microsoft Teams meeting, or whatever you want to add in there that you're reoccurring. I'm doing Teams. I'm going to add in my meeting link. Again, remember what day? It was August 5th. And then we're going to go to 9 a.m. to 9:30. And my title, first grade PE, just matches. Create, it's going to have a link. It's going to create the Microsoft Teams meeting for you, and then you're going to copy that link. And there it is. Now let's resave it, update the event since I messed up. And now it's going to take us back to the calendar and back to the team. So join your Teams meeting. There you go.